Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey there! Here we are again back with another video. Today I will teach you how you can redeem Sephora gift card. Let's go! So first we have to go to sephora.com and then sign into your account. So whether you're on PC or mobile doesn't really matter because the interface is pretty much the same. You just have to look for your profile icon if you're on mobile phone, and if you're on the desktop, just click on the profile icon from the top right. You'll see this pop-up menu where you have to select the option called account settings. So just go to account settings here, and then when you go to account settings, scroll down on your account information and you'll find the option called payments. Just tap on payments option. Once you are done, it will ask you the option called gift card, and you can enter the card information and PIN information and then check the balance of your gift card. So that is how we check the balance of your gift card. Now, if you want to use your gift card already, after you figure out the balance, you just have to add some products to your cart, anything that you want to buy. Let's say this is what I want to purchase over here. I'm just gonna select the product and I'm gonna add that to my basket. Once done, just click on your cart icon on the top right hand side corner of your screen, and I'll just go to the option called checkout. And once I select checkout over here, you'll be able to see different type of payment methods over here. So under it, first of all, make sure you enter your shipping information. Once you are done, it will ask you to simply enter your delivery and gift options. Once you're done with all of that, just make sure to enter the payment method, and inside the payment method option, you just have to choose the option called add a gift card. So over here, add a gift card option. So just make sure you enter your gift card number and your PIN and then apply the gift card balance. And then it's going to be used to buy this product over here. And that is how you can use a Sephora gift card.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.